If you want to play PC VR games like Steam VR titles, or get better graphics than standalone Quest 2 games, you can connect your Oculus Quest 2 to your PC in two ways: with a cable using Meta Quest Link, or wirelessly using AirLink. In this video, I'll show you both methods step by step, plus how to fix the most common connection problems. Step 1. Install the Quest app. Start by downloading the Meta Quest Link app on your PC from Meta's official website. Install it, then sign in with the same Meta account you use on your Oculus Quest 2 headset. Keep the app open while you continue. Step 2. Connect with a cable. Plug a USB-C cable into your PC and then into your Oculus Quest 2. You can use the official Meta Quest Link cable or any good quality USB 3.0 cable that supports data transfer. A USB 3.0 port on your PC works best for a stable connection. Step 3. Enable Quest Link. Put on your headset after connecting the cable. A message will appear asking if you want to allow file access. Select Deny. Then wait for another message asking if you want to enable Quest Link. Select Enable, and your headset will switch into PC VR mode. Step 4. Set up AirLink. If you want to connect wirelessly instead, open the Meta Quest Link app on your PC, go to Settings, then Beta, and turn on AirLink. Your PC should ideally be connected to your router with an Ethernet cable for the best performance. Step 5. Turn on AirLink in the headset. Inside your Quest 2, open Quick Settings, go to Settings, then System, then Quest Link. Turn on Use AirLink. Your PC should appear in the list. Select it and press Pair. Step 6. Pair the devices. A pairing code will appear on both your headset and PC. Confirm that the code matches, then select Pair and launch. After a few seconds, your Quest 2 will connect wirelessly to your PC. Step 7. Open Steam VR games. Once connected through either a cable or AirLink, you can launch VR games from the Meta app. If you want to play Steam VR games, install Steam and Steam VR on your PC first, then open Steam VR while your headset is connected. The Quest 2 will automatically switch into Steam VR mode. How to fix connection problems. If your Quest 2 does not connect, restart both the headset and the PC. If you are using a cable, try a different USB 3.0 port. If you are using AirLink, make sure both the PC and headset are connected to the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi network and stay close to the router.